Let me ask you a question. Do you fear that you might overshoot your speech time? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hi, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the Life Skills Coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to share how you can manage your speech time so that you finish on time. One of the cardinal sins you can commit as a public speaker is talking for a long duration. No one has ever said to a speaker, you were too short, you should have talked longer. Remember, if you can end things early, your audience will love you forever. Here are some tips for managing your speech time. Number 1. Ask the organizers how long I am going to have to give my speech. Number 2. You can use your mobile phone to rehearse and shoot your speech and also check the time taken. Number 3. Cut down your speech content by 10% because it takes longer to complete the speech in real situation and real event. Number 4. Keep a subtle eye on the watch or the clock if it is there in the room. Don't make it obvious. You can even remove your wristwatch and keep it in the front so that from time to time you can have a peek. Number 5. Ask your colleague to time you. The person can sit at the back of the room and show you 5 fingers signaling that 5 minutes are left. Sometimes I also ask my friend to guide me with the last 10 seconds of my speech so that I would be able to finish on the dot. By the way, if you have any ideas on how to manage speech time or what has worked well for you, please share in the comment box below so that others can also benefit from your experience. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, personal coach, and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, take care.